Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to see your submitted Google Forms. So to get started, first open any browser on your device and go to forms.google.com. Here, you'll see your created Google Forms. However, if you've responded to a form, you won't be able to see the submitted answers unless the form creator has enabled certain settings, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. Open your form and click on the settings option at the top. Then, scroll down until you find the Responses section and click the drop-down arrow next to it. The first option you'll see is Collect Email Addresses. Make sure to turn this on and select Verified so it automatically captures valid emails. Just below that, you'll see the option to send responders a copy of their response. Click it, and you'll get two choices: when requested or always. I recommend choosing when requested for more flexibility. Now, head back to the Questions tab and click the little eye icon to preview your form. You'll notice the form now requires an email address. Go ahead and fill out the form as if you were a responder. At the end, you'll see the option that says Send me a copy of my responses. Make sure this is turned on. Then hit Submit. After submitting the form, open a new tab and go to gmail.com. You'll find a new email from Google Forms. Open it, and you'll see a copy of the form you just submitted. Your newest responses will appear at the bottom of the email. And that's it. This is how you can easily view any Google form you've submitted.